Shit. Alright, that's Lockman Megacross SP, and you have no idea how many times I've tried to get this. The last time I picked it, I had the driver pins upside down because I didn't know any better. Then we're going to set this right here. That is a tough lock. Very, very, very tough lock. Ooh. Don't you fall over, we are not losing this one. Alright. Okay. And I will do my best to pull these drivers out so that you can see they are oriented in the correct position. There's nothing in there, that just holds the core. So we'll set this and this here. Alright, we're going to pull this top stack first, because it's just mushroom pins. We'll set those up here. That goes, so 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be number 5. 2, 1, 4. Three. All right, 5 is a ball bearing. And these are all just mushrooms. Here's the key pin. Key pin, another mushroom. If you guys want to go back and look at the difference in how this picks between the other Megacross SP video, you'll see the false set is much more deep on the other lock, or on the other pick, and I'll show you why in just a second. It's because these mushroom pins, not these, I'm sorry, the pyramid pins on this side stack, they act very different depending on how they're oriented. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna take a flag. I can push these out so you can see the orientation. Let me go this direction, see if that helps. If I can push it all the way out, you can see the narrow end is coming out first. If I can grab that. There you can see the narrow end's coming out first. Glad I didn't lose that. There's the key pin. We can do the next one. Find a deeper flag. Maybe I can get it with this one. You guys can see the narrow end is up. I'm sorry, you're supposed to be like a little pyramid, like that. And I just accidentally, there we go. You can see again the narrow end with the little nipple is up. These do not like this tray. There we go. And you guys can see the last one has the nipple up. And the way these work, let me zoom in on those. As you work these, they're all stepped. Let me grab one. Let me get that to focus. Okay, well, you can see the little steps in the spool, and as you work them up closer to shear, the shear line actually gets wider and wider and wider. If you flip them the other way, you're working them down and it gets narrower, which is why I was able to pick this so much easier the last time. This is the correct orientation, and it's much harder and requires like ASA 700 levels of float picking, of balancing that tension. So much more difficult this way. Easily up there with other high security locks. I would put this on par with an ASA 700. Not so much in the techniques needed to learn, like you don't need dual tension wrenches, but the level of tension control is very much similar. So that's the so I can get that to turn off, the Lockman Megacross SP. All right, guys, thanks.